In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Canon Pixma TR150 printer with a MacBook. So we are going to connect this printer with the home or office Wi-Fi network, and then we will add in a MacBook for wireless printing. So let's start with the setup. Go to the printer display panel. So we have to connect the printer to the Wi-Fi network. Click on the settings. So scroll down and press OK. Go to the LAN setting. Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi setup, select manual connect. You can also use the WPS push button method. So right now I'm just going to use the manual connect. Press OK. Select your wireless network, click next, use one router only, select, press OK, select first MAC address, enter the password, click next, use this screen to enter the password and press OK to apply. Once you enter the complete password, go to the OK button and then click OK. It's connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Printer is connected with the router. Press OK and then go back to the home screen. Go to your MacBook. Click on the system preferences. On the system preferences, click on the printers and scanners. On the printers and scanners page, click on the plus button on this section. Because you have added the printer to your Wi-Fi network, so it will show up here. But make sure your MacBook is also connected to the same Wi-Fi. Select Canon TR150 series. Once this button is OK, click on the add. And we can see our printer is installed and we can start using this printer for wireless printing. You can also double check that is our printer. So it has some details, options and supplies, supply level. So it displays everything here. So click on the cancel. Now select any document you want to print. So select the page you want to print and give a print command. On this page you just have to select your printer. Make sure you click TR150 and then click on the print. So this way we can do the printing. Thanks for watching.